bridge. Oh, dude, isn't this cool shit? We don't have any bridges where I'm from, buddy. I'm confused yet.
You gotta be in
Oh, there's one.
there too. See that one?
Yeah.
In 500 feet, bear right to stay
We should
off
fly
South
like
Main
right over
Street.
here. Look at all this shit. So tell me again. I just want to know.
Terrible driver.
I just want to know, for the record, why does it matter how fast I'm going if no one is behind me? If I'm driving
stop
slow,
in the middle of streets.
if I'm driving slow, looking at
around,
the houses, but there's no one behind me,
and then only one
I'm not
car can
holding
go through at a
anyone
time,
up,
and there's somebody trying to come
and you're
towards us,
crying about
and
it.
you're just going 2 miles per hour
Yeah,
while they're trying to.
so
And he's throwing his arms
you
up.
need to learn
I'm throwing my
patience.
arms up too.
You need to learn patience. Oh,
Now
no.
turn
This is
right
only a
onto
one-way.
LaSalle Street.
Yeah, just for it.
Oh, into the car?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I mean, it's the way
I can
you've
make
been,
it.
the way you've been driving. Yeah, I know.
I
The
can
way
make it.
you've been driving. Oh fuck!
What?
Oh shit! We gotta go that way. Oh fuck!
Toward Interstate 95 North. In 1,000 feet, stay on the left toward Interstate 95
You like that?
North.
I'm gonna die.
There we go. Much better. So dirty, I need to clean them.
Everything you own is dirty.
Jesus, guy. It was like you driving next to us? What was that? Green light, beep, beep. I'm gonna drive like super, like just slow enough he can't get over. Are GoPros good enough to vlog on their own? We're about to find out. Got the GoPro Hero 9 here. Sneaking onto Andrew's job site, gonna get on the roof and do a little time lapse. So we'll see how it turns out. Get you guys on the other side. Gotta find that roof access. What's behind here? There it is.
Is that it?
Well, it's terrible. Here, take something. Yeah, phone. Oh, I forgot I was recording this whole time. Oh yeah. Ooh, just made it back using out every outlet in the room to charge all the gear up for tomorrow. Let me know what you guys think. Is it possible to vlog on a GoPro? What do you think? How do you think it's going to turn out?
Okay.
Okay, that's it? Just okay. We're going to save the time lapses I got on the real camera for the real vlog, and we'll use the GoPro footage for the GoPro vlog. What do you think? Sounds like it makes sense.